In the given figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. The distance between the two inner parallel line segments is 60 meter. These two inner parallel line segments, 60 meter. And they are each 106 meter long. Up to here, this is 106 and these are all are 106 and 106. If the track is 10 meter wide, the wideness is this. 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter. Then what to find? The distance around the track along its inner edge. Along its inner edge means this. This distance from here to here, all this you have to find out this. Okay. First of all, you see the inner circle, semicircle DAE, circumference of semicircle DAE. Then you see EF. This is EF distance. This is DC distance. And next one is CJF, semicircle. Okay. What is the circumference of semicircle is? That is pi r. Okay. This is r. R is 30 centimeter. R is 30 meter actually. 30 meter is r. So pi into 30. Okay. Then this edge EF is 106. Same 106. And DC, because this is 106, this should be 106 and this should be 106. So DC will be 106. Then after, circumference of semicircle CJF, again pi r. Pi r. Pi and r is here 30. Okay. So value of pi is 22/7 into 30. This is 212 plus 22/7 into 30. Okay. So what is 212? 212. 212. This is 660/7 and 660/7. Okay. Then what will come? 212. 660 plus 660 is what? This is your 1320/7. If you take LCM of this, 7. If you take LCM, then it will come 2 7 are 14, 1. 7 1 are 7 and 1, 8. 2 7 are 14. This is 1320. Then if you want to add this, then what will? 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 plus 2 is 10. 0, carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Upon 7 meter. This is your first answer. Okay, this is the distance around the track along its inner edge is 2804/7. And what is meaning of track C? This distance. If I make it some shading, this is the shading part. This shading part is the track of this. Okay. Now come on. How to get it? See, if I draw this like so, 106, just like this part, I can say the name EFGH is a one type of rectangle. Length is given 106 meter. It is given, okay. Breadth is given 10 meter, no? So L and B we got we both of you this thing available here. So easily you can get area of this. So one rectangle is here and same one another rectangle we have. So total we have how many? 2 rectangles. So 2 into area of rectangle. So this shaded part is over and this shaded part is over. And this part and this part both are similar again. Okay. So can I get, see, just like your semicircular ring it is. Its inner radius is 30 and outer radius will be 30 plus 10 because this is the breadth and this is 10 meter. Outer radius will be 40. But what is the area of semicircular ring. Okay, area of ring is what actually? Pi r2 square minus r1 square. Okay, area of ring is what? See, this is your area of ring, no? This is area. This is the area of ring. Shaded part is area of ring, and I want this only. This part, half part. This half part. Okay, so this will be half pi r2 square minus r1 square. And r2 is what? Outer radius. Inner that r1 is what? Inner radius. Okay, come on now. I'm going to put all this in formulas. See, 2 into area of rectangle is L into B plus 2 into area of semicircular ring, that is half pi r2 square minus r1 square, isn't it? Now come, 2 into L is what? 106, and here is breadth is 10 plus 2 to 2 cut, pi is 22 upon 7. R2 is what? 40 square. This is your 40 square. R1 is what? 30 square. R1 is 30. You have to put R1 square. So this will be 30 square. R2 is 40. Then R2 square will be what? 40 square. Now come on. This is 106 into 2. 106 into 2 is 212. 212 and 10 will come this. This is 22 upon 7. This is 1600. 40 square 16 and this is 900. Okay, come on the next. Say 2120. 22 upon 7. 700. Okay, now this will be 100. Now what to do? See, 2120 plus 2200. 2200. What is 0, 2, 3, 4320 meter square. This is your. Now the next question is, the area of an equilateral triangle ABC is given to you 17320.5 centimeter square. With each vertex of triangle as center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of side of a triangle. Okay, side of triangle is x, then radius will be x upon 2. Find the shaded region. This shaded region you have to find out. What is given? The area of equilateral triangle is given to you. This ABC. Area is given to you. Side is not given. If you have to get side. Okay. Let side be x. With each vertex of triangle as a center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of side. The radius of the circle is your x by 2, 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 x by 2. Okay. And length of the side AB equal to BC equal to CA, that is x is given to you. And you have to find shaded area. And two more things given to you. Pi value is 3.14 and root 3 is given to you this 1.73205. Okay, come on. We know that, no? Area of equilateral triangle is what? That is under root 3 upon 4 into what is? Side square. Very good. Root 3 upon 4 into side square. This is area of an equilateral triangle. Because each side is x, so we can say root 3 upon 4 into x square. This is x square. What area is given to you? Area is given to you this 17320.5. What is value of root 3? 1.73205 upon 4 into x square. Okay, 17320.5, send 4 up, and then this is down 1.3205, that is equal to x square. Okay, remove this. This is 10. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 0 2 1 0. So what will come? This cut, this will cut, under root 4, 1 2 3 4, that is x only, because I am taking square root of this. Then what will be? This is 200 meter or centimeter. This is centimeter. 200 centimeter, that is x. Okay, side of triangle is x. Then what will be the radius? That is x upon 2, that is 200 upon 200 centimeter. Yes, now the second part, what you have to find out? Area of shaded region. This shaded region you have to find out. Now concentrate on it. See here. We have this figure, this triangle, no? From this triangle, this is your equilateral triangle, it is given to you. And each angle of equilateral triangle is, each interior angle of equilateral triangle, 60 degree, that we all know. This is 60 degree, that we know. Each angle is 60 degree, that we know. First thing is this. Then can you tell me what is the name of this region? AMO. What is the specific name of this region? This region name is sector. Now what I am going to do, see, I have one triangle ABC and I am subtracting 3 sectors from it. Keep in mind again, I have one triangle ABC, I am subtracting 3 sectors from it. How many? 3 sectors. Then what is remaining then? You will get, definitely you will get shaded part. That only we want. See here. Area of triangle ABC minus 3 into area of sector. For sector, what we want actually? We want angle and radius. What angle is? Theta is your 60 degree and radius was x by 2, na? That is r. That is your 100 centimeter. Second thing, for this area of triangle ABC, it is given to you. Come on. What is area of triangle? 17320.5. 3 into area of sector. What is area of sector? Area of sector is theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Right here. Theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. R is what? X by 2. This is 100. 3 into theta is what? 60 degree upon 360 degree. Value of pi is given to you 3.14. Put here 3.14. And r is your 100, no? Then 2 times 100 will come. Okay. Then try to simplify it. 17320.5 minus 66. Okay. I am going to remove this 2 zeros to 2 0. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Okay. Then cut. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. Then 157 into 100. This will be 15700. Okay. Now subtract it. After subtracting, what you will get? See. Okay. 0.5 is already 0.5. Then what will come? This is 1620.5. This is your centimeter square. This is. Now the next question is, in the given figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and semicircle is drawn with BC as a diameter. One semicircle is this and BC is its diameter. Find the area of shaded region. You have to find this region, shaded region number 2. Okay. So first of all, this 14 is given to you. This 14, two sides are given to you, 14 centimeter. Radius is 14. So 14 and 14 is the radius. And this is quadrant, means angle is given to you 90 degree. Okay. So I have to find out first of all this region number 1, area of region number 1. Okay. How to get it? First of all, try to get the value of BC. What will be the value of BC? For right triangle ABC, BC will be the hypotenuse, and hypotenuse square we know, h square is equal to b square plus p square. So BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. Side is given to you BC. BC is, you have to find. Two other sides are given to you, AC and AB, 14 and 14. So BC square equal to 14 square plus 14 square. Then what will be BC square here? 2 into 14 square, because 2 times it is written. This is of 2 times. So what will be BC is equal to square root of 2 into 14 square. So root 2 into 14. This is your BC. And set it. Now what is shaded area? First, shaded area number 1 is equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Area of quadrant we know, pi r square upon 4. Okay. And what is area of triangle? Half base into height. This is the thing. And here radius r is this. R1 I can say is 14. Okay. And R2, this for spare, this is R2. Under root 2 into 14 upon 2. This is your 7 root 2. So I am writing here R. Like this way you have to put the values and get the answer. Pi value is 22 upon 7. What is R1? Is 14 into 14. Half. Base is 14 and height is also 14. Now try to cut. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. 2 2 is 4. This is 11. 2 2, 2 cut. So 11 into 14, this is 154. Then 14 into 7, what will be? See here. 7 4 ja 28, 2. 7 1 ja 7 and 2, 9. 98. Then what will be? This is your 56 centimeter square. Area of region number 1. This region is your 56 centimeter square. Now then we have to find the second. Yes, then you have to find the area of shaded region number 2. For that what you have to do? You have drawn one semicircle on BC. BC was the diameter and radius you got it earlier, that was 7 under root 2 centimeter. Okay, and area of shaded region 1 that we got it earlier, that is 56 centimeter square. So what to do here? Area of semicircle, that is pi r 1 upon 2 pi r2 square minus, this is 56. So 1 upon 2 is here, 22 upon 7 This is 7 root 2 into 7 root 2 minus 56, isn't it? Now what to do? Here this 7 to 7 cut, this is 11, this is 11, this is 7, and root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. This is 7 2s are 14 minus 56. This is 154. Again by Vedic, no? 11 into 14. है ना? For 1 and 4 you write like this. 4 plus 1, 5. 154. Then 56. This is 98 centimeter square. And this is the answer of this question.